In this lesson, we are going to discuss simple past tense, active voice, how to write, where to use, examples, exercises. Simple past tense. Any tense can be built with subject, helping verb, and rest of the sentence. In the simple past tense, did is used as the helping verb with any subject. I did. He, she, it, any singular, did. You, we, they, any plural, did. Verb, rest of the sentence. The helping verb did and the main verb are combined to form the simple past verb. So, did is excluded in the affirmative statements. Simple past tense. How to form the past tense verb? Regular verbs by adding ed to the base verb. Cook, cooked. Play, played. Wash, washed. By adding d to the base verb. Love, loved. Type, typed. Dance, danced. By adding ied to the base verb. Study, studied. Cry, cried. Try, tried. Irregular verbs. Completely change. Write, written. Buy, bought. Sit, sat. No change of verb. Cut, cut. Put, put. Hit, hit. Simple past tense. Examples. I learned English. You learned English. We learned English. They learned English. He learned English. She learned English. It learned English. Learned is the past form of the verb learn. Simple past tense. Where to use? Completed actions. You completed the degree program. We participated in the event last evening. Past habits. He got up early during military training. She studied maths in grade 9. Past facts. The Titanic sank in the Atlantic Ocean. Kings ruled countries many years ago. Reported speech. She said, "You won the game." I said, "We completed the research." Simple past tense. Exercise. Listen to the 6 sentences with each subject. I walk to school. You walk to school. We walk to school. They walk to school. He walked to school. She walked to school. It walked to school. Comment on your own sentences. Thank you.